Hello my sweet potatoes, it's Michelle. Welcome back to the vlog. Today's a very exciting one because I'm getting ready to go to Japan. By the time you're watching this video, I will probably already be in Japan. So go check out my Instagram and watch my stories because that's where I'm going to be posting most of my adventures. And if you want to keep up with my Japan adventures, Instagram stories is probably the best place to do that. So I'll link it down below. And we have, I think, 2 days, less than 2 days actually. It's Tuesday evening right now. We leave Thursday morning. But I want to show you what I've packed so far and talk about some of my travel essentials. So I have everything laid out here. I have my big suitcase and I also have my personal item, which is my backpack. And then I also have my Uniqlo bag. This is a Uniqlo round mini shoulder bag, and this is just what I keep around me like through the airport. It's easier for me to grab like my passport, ticket, phone and stuff like that instead of having to reach into my backpack. So let me first start off with the suitcase. I have a bunch of these packing cubes, and if you are not packing using packing cubes, I think you're doing it wrong. Packing cubes are so essential for me, at least, to help me keep all of my clothes organized. So in this one I have all of my tops here and some jackets and cardigans. In this one I have all of my bottoms, so long pants, skirts. I also have my pajamas in this corner, so like leggings and big t-shirts. And I have a rain jacket and a dress in this corner. And in this one I have my workout clothes as well as a pair of fleece lined leggings. So they're just like tights, but they are lined with fleece inside so that it keeps you super warm. And if it's cold one day and I'm wearing like either my dress or a skirt, then I can just throw this on underneath and it'll keep my legs warm. I feel like I won't need this though because I checked the weather and it should be around the 70s, which is pretty warm, but who knows, the weather may change unexpectedly. And then I also have this last packing cube, which I just have my slippers in. These are probably just gonna be for walking around in the hotel. So those are all my clothes, and I also planned out all of the outfits that I'm gonna wear for every day that I'm in Japan. But I literally planned out everything that I'm gonna wear. So at the top here I just took photos of all of the clothes that I'm thinking about bringing, and then at the bottom I made outfits using all of the clothes, and on the side I just put like some maybe, like I might want to bring these but I'm not exactly sure. It just depends on the outfits that I create. But yeah, I planned out all of the outfits that I'm gonna wear for every day. I've done this for all of the trips that I've been on for the past year. I made a whole video about it too if you want to check it out. But yeah, I know it sounds kind of crazy, but it really helps me as someone who's very indecisive. I take forever to decide what to wear, and I don't want to be wasting time on the day of the trip trying to put together an outfit, deciding what I want to wear. So I just decided to pre-plan everything. We also have every single day planned out as well. Like each day that we're on the trip, we know exactly what we're doing. I know, I'm crazy. I am a Virgo. I am a type A. I need to have everything planned out. I mean, we still did leave some room for like spontaneity, or like if things happen to take longer than usual, we do still have time in our itinerary. But for the most part, I am very much a planner when it comes to traveling. I don't really like to go with the flow on vacations. I want to make sure that I am making the most out of my time. So I like to plan everything out, but planning the outfits also helps to make sure that I'm not overpacking. So yeah, just helps me save time and space. I'm also packing 2 of my sunglasses. So I have one that is non-prescription. These are Polaroid sunglasses though, and I got these off of Amazon. They were really cheap. They were like $15. So if you need a good pair of polarized cheap sunglasses, get these from Amazon. But then I do also have a pair of prescription polarized sunglasses as well. Like if I don't want to wear contacts one day but I still want to wear sunglasses, I have these. I'm wearing contacts right now, so it hurts my eyes to look through them. But yeah, these are prescription. I got these from Zenny Optical. I'm also bringing a luggage scale because I want to weigh my luggage and make sure that it doesn't go over the weight limit. So I always pack one of these whenever I travel. And this pouch carries all of my hair accessories. This little case has a bunch of like small hair elastics, regular hair elastics, and some safety pin. And then I'm bringing 3 claw clips. This one's just like a plain regular claw clip, flower shape, and this is just a clear, smaller claw clip. And I'm also bringing bobby pins. On the left side, let me start with this pouch. This is from Aloha Collection. They make splash-proof pouches. So it's mainly made for like when you go to the beach and you accidentally get water on your stuff, then these pouches will protect whatever's inside. But I also like these for travel because they're great to help organize things. I actually wish I had more of these. So in this one has a bunch of toiletries and like health items in here. So at the top I have contacts. These are daily contacts. I also have some cotton rounds if I need to like remove makeup or something. I also have makeup remover. I love this one by Garnier, mostly because it takes off waterproof makeup as well. I have my dry shampoo. This one's from Way. It's their super dry shampoo. Then I have deodorant, mini shampoo and conditioner. These are from Olaplex. I always like to bring my own shampoo and conditioner even if hotels provide it, because a lot of the hotels that I've been to, they actually have orange as an ingredient in their like shampoos, conditioners, even their hand washes, and I am allergic to oranges, so I can't use them anyway, so that's why I just bring my own. I also have my body wash. This is the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser mini toothpaste. This is my body spray that I transferred to this little mini container. It's from Bath & Body Works and it's the scent Gingham. And I have floss and Q-tips, fiber gummies, and my toothbrush container. It's empty right now. Next up, we have a smaller pouch. I have all my skincare. At the top, I have this Sunjung 2X Barrier Intensive Cream. This is just a moisturizer. And I also have my Dr. Jart Ceramidin Cream, which is another moisturizer. I like to use this one in the daytime because it's not as heavy, but this one is a little bit thicker, so I use this one at night. Then I have my Tower 28 SOS Daily Rescue Facial Spray. If my skin is looking a little bit red and angry, this helps to calm it down. Then I have Vaseline, Herbivores Nova Vitamin C and Turmeric Brightening Serum. This is the vitamin C serum that I like to use. Again, a lot of vitamin C serums contain orange in it because orange is a great source of vitamin C, but I'm allergic to oranges. But this is one of the good vitamin C serums that I found that doesn't contain oranges. And then I have my CosRx Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. I'm running so low on this though. I'm hoping this lasts through the entire trip. If not, I'm hoping that I can find a K-beauty shop or some kind of skincare shop that sells these in Japan, then I can pick up a new one. And then we have my cleanser. This is the CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser. And then this bottle has my oil cleanser in it. It's by the brand Dam Dam or Dom Dom, and I'm actually not sure how to pronounce it, but they're a Japanese skincare brand and they have this rice cleansing oil. So I've been using it for the past like 2 weeks or so, I want to say, and it's been really good. I'm really liking it. I'm also bringing some pimple patches. I actually should add some more in here. I don't know if this is gonna be enough. And I'm also bringing my sunscreen. This is the Trader Joe's Daily Facial Sunscreen, Broad Spectrum SPF 40. And then I have my makeup pouch. I keep it in this clear bag just so it's easy for me to see everything and grab products when I'm doing my makeup. My makeup routine is very minimal. I just have like a skin tint, blush, lashes, eyebrow pencil, eyeliner, a lash glue, and a lip tint, and that's pretty much it for my makeup routine. And then this pouch has all of my nail supplies. So I really like to do press-on nails. I just did my nails actually like the other day. I'll insert some footage of me doing my nails, but I'm using this set from Static Nails and it's in their Velvet Nails Pink round set. It's kind of hard to capture on camera, but in the light they look so pretty and sparkly and shiny. I thought it would be perfect for Japan. So I also have a bunch of nail supplies in here as well, like a little nail drill, nail file, nail clipper, nail glue as well. I also have my hair curler because I love curling my hair, and I have a ton of masks. I know the mask mandate is gone now. It's been lifted in Japan, but a lot of people still wear masks. We're probably gonna wear them too, especially on like public transport. So I'm just bringing a whole bunch for both me and Kyle. I'm also bringing my Disney ears because we are going to Tokyo Disney Sea, which I'm so excited about. Kyle has been there a bunch of times, but this is gonna be my first time. I know they probably have a ton of cute ears at the park, but I bought these last year for when I went to Disneyland Paris with my friends, and I wore these there and they were so cute. And I love that it's unique. Like no one at the park is gonna have the same ears as me probably. And they're so pretty because they have dried flowers and like gold flecks everywhere. I just love it. It's so cute. I got it off of Etsy. I'll leave it linked down below if you want some as well. Then I'm also bringing my Baggu horizontal duck bag in this grid print. This is my like everyday bag, and I'm planning to bring this everywhere we go. Like this is the only bag that I'm probably gonna bring, especially during the day because we're gonna be out for a really long time. It can just hold so much stuff. But yeah, this is gonna be my everyday bag while I'm in Japan. I'm not gonna use it on the plane or anything, so that's why I'm keeping it in my suitcase. And the last thing in my suitcase is an umbrella. It might rain a couple of days while we're there, so this is just in case it rains. Now onto my carry-on. This is my carry-on backpack. Actually, it's like my personal item. I'm just gonna keep this under the seat in front of me. At the top, I have this plastic bag full of electronics. These are electronics that I want to make sure I keep with me and that I don't lose. So I have a portable hard drive, which is this orange thing. I have a long phone cable for when I'm in the hotel. I also have my laptop charger up here. This little gold thing is a USB drive, but I can also connect it to my phone so that I can download any files like photos or videos off of my phone and make space on my phone, but I can store it on this hard drive because it has like 256 gigabytes on it or something. I also have a adapter, and then at the bottom here in this black pouch is a really big portable charger, and it has like 7 full phone charges worth of battery in it. It is very heavy, like this is a brick, but it is so handy. Then I have this, which is a foot hammock. So this is specifically just for the plane ride. We're gonna be on the plane for like 11 hours. It's a long flight, and I am short. I'm 5'1", so my feet usually hang off of the seat. Like I can't touch the ground when I'm sitting. So at the end of the flight, at the end of a long flight, my legs are aching. But this will hopefully alleviate some of that pain and make it more comfortable. So you basically just strap this part around your tray table, and this part hangs and is where you put your feet. But yeah, it's basically just like a hammock for your feet. And if you're short like me, I think this is gonna be a game changer. If you're tall and your feet already touch the ground when you're sitting in the plane, I don't think you'll need this. This will probably be a waste of money for you. I think it's gonna make sleeping on the plane so much more comfortable too, because usually I'll just like try to shove my feet into the pocket, but that is so not comfortable. So I'm very excited to try this out. I got it off of Amazon. I'm also bringing an inflatable neck pillow. It has a hole here that you blow into, if I can get it open. Blow air into here, it inflates, and then you can use it as a neck pillow. I got this from Target. I'm also bringing an eye mask. This is also from Target. I've also got motion sickness goggles because I do get motion sick very easily, and I'm planning to edit some videos on the plane, and these goggles help with it so much. There's this like blue liquid inside, and when you have it on, it looks real goofy. Like that looks stupid almost. But the blue liquid basically helps to like fake the horizon, so even though your head is moving around, your brain will still think that the horizon is level, and that helps to reduce motion sickness. I've used this a bunch of times in the past already, and it works. It works. I got this off of Amazon again. So if you also struggle with motion sickness, get one of these. And I also have this little Shiba Inu pouch, and this just has a bunch of other health supplies. Like these are C-bands, which are also for motion sickness. And then I have a bunch of ginger chew candies. These are also for motion sickness. Ginger is great at helping motion sickness or like nausea. And I'm also bringing some extra clothes. So I have extra underwear, extra leggings, and an extra shirt. And then finally, for my Uniqlo bag, these are all things that I want some easier access to. So first I have this little Totoro pouch. My Totoro pouch just has my inhaler because I have asthma, and 2 mini Vaseline. I've also got my passport, very important. I can't go to Japan if I don't have my passport. And I also have my wallet, again very important, has my ID, cash, health cards, credit cards. I have my vlog camera as well. So this is the DJI Pocket 2 vlog camera that I love for traveling because it's so small and compact. It's super stable too because it's built on a gimbal, so no matter which way you turn it or twist it, the footage is going to come out super stable, and it can shoot up to 4K 60 FPS video. So it's like having a DSLR camera in the palm of your hands. It's so good for travel. I also have my AirPods, and then I have my essentials pouch. This is also an Aloha collection bag, same as this one. I have wired earphones. I like to use wired earphones on the plane. That way I don't lose my AirPods. I have a bunch of medication in here. So I have like acetaminophen, non-drowsy antihistamine, drowsy antihistamine, melatonin. I have hand sanitizer. This is by Touchland and it's in their mango passion scent. It smells so good. I have a pen and I have eye drops and a splitter. So this is really cool and really handy. I found this at the Target dollar section, but you stick it into your phone and on one end you can plug in your headphones like this, and then the other end you can plug in your charger. On a regular basis I don't need this because I usually use Bluetooth earphones, but like on the plane, since I like to use wired ones, it's really handy because I can listen to music and charge my phone at the same time, because without this I would only be able to do one or the other. So this makes it so that I can do both at the same time. There are also a bunch of other things that we had to do to prepare. Like we filled out our customs and immigration information on the Visit Japan website. Filling out all that info should make it faster for us to go through customs and immigration once we land at the Tokyo airport. We also got our JR pass because we're going to be spending time in Kyoto and Tokyo, and we're going to take the Shinkansen to and from. I also already loaded up my Suica card, which is like a bus card so that you can take public transportation. So I actually got it on my phone and I added it to my Apple Wallet so that it's just ready to pay. I'm also still trying to figure out my like internet situation while I'm in Japan. I know a lot of people use pocket Wi-Fi's, but I'm just not a fan of that. It's just one more thing to carry around. You have to make sure that it gets dropped off to like your hotel, or you need to pick it up, and you also need to make sure that you drop it off somewhere before you leave the country. So I'm not a huge fan of that. Instead, I'm looking into getting a SIM card. I tried looking into getting an eSIM, but unfortunately it wouldn't work with my phone because my phone is not unlocked, and you need an unlocked phone in order to use an eSIM. And unlocked just means that you've paid off your like payment plan on your phone. So this phone is still fairly new, so I haven't finished paying it off yet. So unfortunately I can't use an eSIM. So I could either do like a physical SIM card, or my service provider, which is AT&T, has this like international day pass sort of thing where you can use your current phone plan and just use that abroad, but you have to pay $10 a day, but it caps at $100. So if you're traveling for more than 10 days worth, which is $100, then you won't need to pay any more. So I don't know, I'm still figuring it out. I'll let you know what I end up doing. And then we also bought a whole bunch of tickets for other things that we're planning, like other attractions like Disney, Team Labs. Those are all booked already. So I think we're pretty much good to go. Just need to do a little bit more packing and then we're off to Japan. Okay guys, that is everything that I'm packing so far. I have a bunch of other things that I need to pack as well. I need to pack my laptop, my vlog camera, which I'm using right now, my tripod, which I'm also using, all of my skincare. But other than that, that's all that I have for you for now. I might continue this vlog like Thursday morning or something as we're leaving for Japan. But if not, I will see you guys in my next video, which will be the Japan vlogs. So hope you're excited. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!